is with my nephew Edgar Berzosa, called Douglas Jennerman, better known as Coolis, is a Canadian-Filipino travel blogger. Is considered the surfing capital of the northern Philippines and is known for its consistent intermediate quality surf and to surfing seasons from July to October and November to March. There is also a local museum, Museo de San Juan. Surf Resort, great beachside resort with live music, ideal for a budget-friendly accommodation in Baler, Philippines. What is Baler Aurora known for? Baler is known for many tourist attractions, in addition to the Baler Catholic Church and other historical sites. There are resorts in Sabang Beach and Cemento Beach, where surfers from all over the world compete for the annual International Aurora Surfing Cup.
Kurt, yung nandyan?
Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Bye-bye!